Hi guys, here we have a little Peugeot 306 HDI diesel Meridian on the V-plate. Solid looking little car. MOT till March next year. No advisories on the last MOT. There's a history report saying it's had the timing belt done a couple of years ago at 90 odd thou. It's now done 111 thou. Comes with a half leather bin, the Meridian. Oops.
Leading to the loss of another 100 jobs.
Fancy CD player with a remote control. God knows why you'd need a remote on a CD, but say done 111,949 miles. The electric window on the driver's side, the switch is at work, and I believe it's the wires that go between in this little box there. It was suggested that that was a issue there. Just selling it as spares or repairs. It might need some little jobs doing. We sell it as, let me just turn this down, as unroadworthy, and we say that you should take it away on a trailer. If you don't, we will ask you to sign a disclaimer telling you that you've been advised that that's the case. My name is Mike Wells. My telephone number is 0777 5644 628. Please call before travelling. I'm not always on site. If you're interested, give me a call. Thank you.